If you're using the same sales process for a $500,000 prospect that you're using for a $5 million prospect, you're losing high net worth clients. Because affluent clients don't buy financial advice the same way everyone else does. And the advisors who consistently attract these clients have learned to change the conversation. So today, I'm gonna walk you through 5 ways your sales process needs to evolve if you wanna earn the trust of high net worth families. If you're an independent advisor looking for practical ideas to grow your practice and not generic marketing advice, be sure to subscribe. Every week, we're sharing strategies you can actually put into your practice with your clients. Number 1, stop selling retirement and start solving complexity. Most advisors lead with retirement income planning. High net worth clients are often thinking much bigger than income. Their biggest fear actually isn't whether they'll run out of money. They've already accumulated wealth. Now they're asking, am I paying unnecessary taxes? Is my estate structured correctly? Is my advisor actually bringing me proactive ideas? They're buying sophistication, not just investment management. If I can save someone hundreds of thousands or even millions in taxes over their lifetime, that's often way more valuable than squeezing out another % of investment performance or alpha or whatever else you want to call it. The conversation shifts from accumulating wealth to protecting, optimizing, and then also transferring it. Number 2, your discovery process has to go deeper. Affluent prospects rarely tell you the real concerns first. Slow the conversation down. Stay curious instead of rushing towards solutions. The first answer usually isn't the real answer. Ask questions like, why did you decide to meet with me today? What concerns you most about your financial future? What keeps you up at night financially? And if something happened tomorrow, what worries you most about your family? You may think they're concerned about taxes, only to discover they're actually worried about their spouse being taken care of, their children inheriting too much money, or family conflict, or whether they have the right team around them to make sure this is all gonna work together. That's where the real planning begins. Number 3, differentiate yourself beyond investment management. Most wealthy prospects already have an investment advisor. You're not competing against no advisor. You're competing against good enough. So ask yourself, what do you do that their current advisor isn't doing? Tax planning, estate planning, Roth conversion strategies, charitable planning, business succession, legacy planning, working alongside their CPA and their attorney? Ask them, what did your current advisor proactively recommend last year that reduced your tax bill? If they can't answer, that's your opportunity. Don't position yourself as another investment manager. Position yourself as the quarterback of their entire financial life. Number 4, earn trust before you ask for everything. Don't expect a $10 million client to move $10 million after one meeting. High net worth clients didn't become wealthy by making emotional decisions. They're cautious. They've likely been approached dozens of times, probably even just yesterday. Instead, solve one problem first. Manage one account, improve one piece of their financial picture. Let them experience working with you. If you can consistently follow through, communicate well, bring proactive ideas, maybe even strategies that they don't have access to, deliver on your promises that you told them that are actually going to happen, trust compounds. And assets, they usually follow. Sometimes the fastest way to earn a $10 million client is to stop trying to earn all $10 million on day 1. And number 5, sell the experience, not the product. High net worth clients aren't shopping for products. They're shopping for someone that brings confidence. They want someone who's proactive, responsive, coordinates with their team, catches problems before they happen, and makes complex financial decisions feel simple. Think about the luxury brands people are willing to pay for. It's rarely because the product is dramatically better. It's because the experience is. That's exactly how affluent clients think about financial advice. Instead of saying, I can outperform your current advisor, say, I want to make sure every part of your financial life is working together, not just your investments. That's much more compelling conversation. The advisors who win high net worth relationships aren't usually the ones with the best presentation. They're the ones who ask the best questions, uncover the biggest opportunities, and become indispensable long before they ask for any business. If you found this helpful, I think you'll really enjoy our video on how your sales process needs to be different for boomer clients compared to Gen X. Make sure you're subscribed, and we'll keep bringing you practical strategies like this every week.